Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I'm your host, Amy Harber. You can find me, that's all my social media. This is the June Ipsy bag. The theme is volume up. It's all about turning the volume up in your beauty routine. We have a cute little bag. It's kind of like a canvasy cloth bag with these awesome lips on them. So let's get into all the fun products and let's play with makeup. So hey, it is the June Ipsy. The theme is volume up. So again, I'm still doing throwback videos. Yes, I am. So the first item is the Balm Springs blush. It's like a deserty rose color. There we go. So it's actually a little bigger sample than they usually give. It's long wearing. It's supposed to last like 12 hours. So excited to try this. I don't have a lot of rose pink blushes, so let's do this. Then we have Trust Fund Beauty Nail Polish. The color is called What's the Budget? And it's like a seafoam green. Trust Fund Beauty, they're all like vegan and no harsh chemicals in their nail polish, and this crap really lasts. Like, it does not chip. I have acrylic nails, but when I put it on there, it does not chip. So I love theirs. I might already have this color or one similar. So if so, it might become a giveaway. I don't know. That is a possibility. Then next we have the Hey Honey Uncover Detoxifying Bud Mask. Okay, it's got Dead Sea black mud, honeysuckle, aloe, and propolis. And apparently, if you Google that, you will find out that it is an exotic compound. It's produced by bees, and it's thought to fight infection, heal wounds, and more. So it's supposed to get rid of acne-causing bacteria and make your skin glowy AF. Now, if you don't know what AF is, it means as fuck. So it's meant to make it glowy as fuck. Then we have, before you put the mask on, you gotta clean your face. So you have Skyn Iceland Glacial Face Wash. And Iceland is known for restoring and balancing skincare ingredients. I did not know that. So use this mild formula, wash your face, then put on the mask, and you're gonna have glowy AF skin. And you won't need a bunch of a highlighter like I have on. Then finally, we have the Beaute Blender. It's in millennial pink, because who doesn't love millennial pink? Though, let's be honest, this is 80s baby pink. If you're a child of the 80s, we had pink first. Thank you very much. And we often put it with like royal blue. Who didn't have the CoverGirl like 8 eyeshadow quad that had the like bubblegum millennial, now they're calling it millennial pink, but you had the pink shimmery, and then right next to it was this really bright blue, and right above it was like a powder baby blue, and that was the eyeshadow to have in the 80s. So millennial pink though. Beauty blender, it's great for getting in those corners. I love these things, so you just dab them on. Contouring. You can use it on foundation. I use mine on foundation and concealer mostly. That's mostly what I use it on. Sometimes I will use it on a cream blush, but otherwise it's just for foundation and concealer. So that's the, look at that. Ha ha! I'm so funny. That's the bag. This is where to find me. And I will catch you next time.